want to pick them up?
No?
Look. Look, Jack.
No. I
Put your hand out.
can't. I'm not.
No? You don't put your hand out?
I see the butterflies.
You see him? Okay, we'll leave him alone then. You like the butterflies?
I know that. He's a blue jay.
He's a blue jay?
Blue jay.
Okay, I call him blue jay?
The butterfly gives me that present.
Does he?